Hello and welcome viewers. In today's video we will see the official specifications of Huawei smartphone Huawei Enjoy 20 Plus 5G. So at the beginning I want to say please subscribe my channel to know the updated specifications of new mobile phones. So let's see what is in the official specifications of the phone. The phone has network mode GSM, HSPA, LTE, 5G. And the phone has memory space of 128GB with 6GB of RAM, another version 128GB with 8GB of RAM. The phone is coming in 4 colors and the 4 colors are black, blue, green, pink. And USB has micro USB 2.0 which is Type-C 1.0 reversible connector, USB on the go. Display has IPS LCD 19Hz. Display size is 6.63 inches and 84.8% screen to body ratio. The body dimension of the phone is 6.44 into 3.01 into 0.35 inches and weight 197 grams. The phone has Android 10 operating system and chipset MediaTek MT6353 and the CPU is getting octa-core 2x2.0 GHz Cortex-A76 and 6.20 GHz Cortex-A55. You can get the sensor in the phone are fingerprint side mounted, accelerometer, gyro, proximity compass, and battery is a lithium polymer 4200 mAh, non-removable with capacity of fast charging 40 watt. As an always, the phone has dual SIM dual standby facility, but the SIM must be nano. There is a loudspeaker for sound and 3.5mm jack for audio output. You get the main camera triple 48 megapixel flash 1.8 26mm wide and 8 megapixel flash 2.3 120mm ultra wide, 2 megapixel flash 2.4 macro, video time facility at a maximum of 4K 30 frame rate per second, and get a selfie camera single 16 megapixel with flash 2.3. So friends, this was the official specifications of today's Huawei Enjoy 20 Plus 5G model. Those who like to use high range of smartphone and want to buy a good phone from Huawei can take it without any hesitation. In next video, I will definitely come up with the unboxing of the set. Then stay healthy, stay well. Goodbye.